Hazrat Ibn Jurayj has reported from Ibn Abi Mulaika when there occurred a conflict between both Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas and Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu. I visited Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas radiyallahu anhu and submitted, "Do you want to fight with Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu and violate the sanctity of the Kaaba?" He said, "Allah forbid. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has prescribed this daring act of violating the sanctity of the Kaaba only for Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu and Banu Umayyah, and by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will never violate its sanctity by fighting therein." He states that the people out of affection said, "You may swear an oath of allegiance to Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair." So I replied, "It is not far from him, for his father Hazrat Zubair is a fast friend of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. His maternal grandfather Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu is the Prophet's companion in the cave. The style of his mother Hazrat Asma is the possessor of two drawstrings. Her maternal aunt Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha is the mother of the believers. His aunt Hazrat Khadija radiyallahu anha is the Prophet's wife. The Prophet's paternal aunt Hazrat Safiya radiyallahu anha is his grandmother. He, in addition, himself is a righteous Muslim and the Quran reader. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if they, Banu Umayyah, behaves as well, they should do it, for they are our close kins. If they rule over us, they may do it, for they are equal to us. But he, Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu, preferred Tawaitat, Usamat and Humaidat to us, by which he meant the branches of Bani Asad, namely Bani Tawait, Bani Usama and Bani Asad as well. Isn't it a thing worth considering that Ibn Abi As Abdul Malik bin Marwan is challenging and resolutely advancing, but Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu is not reacting to his aggression? Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4665.